Hello guys, this is Jill Pinoy. Today we're gonna be making burgers. Simple recipe. We have some onion in here, bell pepper and butter, salt and pepper, and of course our burger. I didn't put anything in here. I'm gonna put the salt and pepper a little later before we put it in on that pan. But first we're gonna saute our bell pepper and onion. Okay guys, so we are now sauteing our onion in here, and I put a little bit of butter to saute them. We're just gonna slightly caramelize them. Then after we do this, we're gonna work on the bell pepper, but we're gonna put a little bit of Himalayan salt to taste, not so much. Okay. And then some pepper. Okay, and let it cook. And we'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what we want. Slightly caramelized onion. So we're gonna go ahead and move this to a plate, and we're gonna put in our bell pepper. We'll put in our slice of butter here. And we're gonna throw in our bell pepper. We're gonna let this caramelize as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put our Himalayan salt, not so much again, and our pepper. We stir around. Let this caramelize a little bit. Let's put the cover real quick, and we'll be right back. Here we go guys, so now we are on the right track. Here's some caramelized bell pepper. So we're gonna move this on the plate, and we're gonna start cooking our burger. Okay guys, time to make the burger. On this one I already put my salt and pepper. So the salt and pepper side, we flip it. You notice I made an indentation right there. So it won't curl up. Okay. And I didn't put any other stuff in here. Other ingredients. I just put salt and pepper. Okay, so on top of that, this part right here, we're gonna go ahead and put our salt. And then our pepper. And what I like to do is put a little butter. Right now it's on a medium heat, okay? Put a little butter. Just let them melt. I'm not putting a lot. I just want some butter flavor. So let that cook down. And then we're gonna flip this in a couple of minutes. What we want is a nice brown color on both sides, okay? So we'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, it's nice and sizzling right now. So we're gonna see if we have a nice color. Oh, that's a perfect color right there, guys. You see it? That's perfect. Nice sizzling sound. Oh, nice. Nice. So we're gonna go ahead and cook the outer side. Put the cover back on, and we'll be right back. Okay, time to check. Are we in the right color that we want? Oh yes, perfect color right there, guys. So what I'm gonna do now is shut it off, and I'm gonna put cheese on top of this burger. I'm only gonna do it in 3 burgers, okay? Because it's my daughter don't like cheese on her burger. I'm just gonna use the regular cheese, and this is pepper jack cheese. So I'm gonna leave a couple of them without cheese, and I'm gonna place back the cover until it slightly melts. Okay, only like maybe about 10-15 seconds for it to melt, because the heat's still on. And then we're gonna transfer it to the burger, and then we're gonna put the other condiments. Okay guys, our cheese is melted, so I'm gonna go grab it. I'll show it to you guys. Oh, it's dripping. So it's melted right here. I have my mayonnaise on the bottom already. Ooh, it's melting. Nice and hot. There we go. And we're gonna put some condiments. Okay, so I'm gonna put some onion. The plain one I'm gonna save it for later for my daughter, because I will prepare it separately for her. And then this is what we have in here: onion and bell pepper. My son don't like to eat onion, so I'll just put probably bell pepper for him. There you have it, guys. If you guys want to, you guys can toast you guys bread, put a little bit of butter. But yeah, here's our final product right here. That's 1, 2, 3 burgers. You guys notice my burgers are small, but for me that's perfect size. So we're gonna go ahead and slice this. Okay. Ooh, my bread, and show you guys the inside. See how perfect is that, guys? Just salt and pepper, and I used a little butter when I was cooking them in a pan. But yeah, this is just a regular burger. So we're gonna go sit down and taste it together, guys. Okay guys, it's time to taste our burger. I just wanted to show it to you guys how it looks. Can you see it? See how good is that? Let's see. Remember now, I only used salt and pepper and a little bit of butter while we were cooking the meat. And we stir fried the onion and the bell pepper with a little bit of butter and just the basic salt and pepper. So first bite. By the way, this is my first time making this kind of burger. I've never done this before, so Mm. Guys, I'm not I'm not over exaggerating. The meat is really juicy. You don't need those extra flavors, or there's those extra ingredients in there. Salt and pepper is perfectly fine. I think that butter helps a lot with the flavoring too. Mm. The sweetness of the onion and the bell pepper, awesome. It blends well together. And the cheese and the mayonnaise on the bottom. But if you guys want to put like ketchup, be my guest. You put whatever condiments you want to put on, but for me this is perfect. It doesn't need any more or less. This is a perfect combination of this burger. You see it? It's so good. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking session that we had today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more cooking and crafting with Jill Pinoy. Salamat po. Aloha. God bless.